Hello everyone and welcome back to Sky States. Today we are going to learn data types. If you are just starting your Python journey, one of the very first concepts you will going to learn is data types. But what exactly are data types? Think of them as labels that tell Python what kind of information you are storing. Just like you wouldn't store a water in a paper bag, Python also needs to know whether the data is number, text, or something else. Let's explore all kind of data types that we have in Python. The first one is a numerical data type. It has three parts: integer, float, and complex. Integer stores whole number, float stores decimal numbers, and complex stores numbers with real and imaginary parts. It is mainly used in scientific and mathematical computations. Here is an example of numerical data type. Then we have strings. String stores textual content. Anything written inside single or double quotation is marked as string. Here's an example of strings in the screen. Then we have Boolean. Boolean data type has only two values. It will either give you a true or a false value. It is commonly used in Python when we need to make a decision, such as checking if a password is correct or if a user has logged in or not. So let's just move now. As we are done with all the basic data types, we'll move forward with the collection data types that we have: list, dictionary, sets, and tuple. Basically, the first one we are going to discuss is a list. A list stores multiple items in a specific order. The best part of this is you can add, remove, or modify elements whenever you want to. Then we have another data type, that is tuple. A tuple is similar to a list, but it is immutable, meaning once it has been created, you cannot change its value. Here's the example of tuple. You can see in the screen. Then we have a set. A set stores unique values only. If duplicate values are added, Python automatically removes them. Here's the example of sets in the screen. Then we have at last our dictionary. A dictionary stores a key value pair. It's perfect for organizing related information. And at last, we are done with all the data types. These are the most commonly used Python data types. Once you understand them, learning variables, functions, loops, and other Python concepts becomes much easier for you. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sky States. And for more content on Python, data science, and cybersecurity and AI, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sky States. For more content on Python, data science, cybersecurity, and AI, watch Sky States. And as always, happy coding, guys. Bye bye.